The following is a brief introduction of Pacer's new web-based application called FluCast. FluCast enables hospital administrators and planners to forecast the current week's flu cases. This is accomplished by combining a history of flu cases in a specific hospital with Google Flu Trends data from the region where the hospital is located. To obtain Google Flu Trends, the FluCast application uses the zip code of a hospital to map that hospital to a major metropolitan area or a state. If the hospital is more than 100 kilometers away from one of the major metropolitan areas that Google Flu tracks, the application will use statewide Google Flu Trends data. Keep in mind that Google Flu Trends is not an absolute number. Instead, it is a rate of the number of people seeking treatment for influenza-like symptoms out of every 100,000 people. For more information on how and where Google collects flu data, visit google.org/flutrends. The FluCast application combines these trends and your hospital's actual number of flu cases week by week over at least 4 years of data. Then it will make a prediction for the number of cases to expect in the current week. This concludes our overview of the FluCast application. We hope you find the application useful and enjoy working with it. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact Pacer via the Contact Us page on the website.